So this is day 3 of ranking the jokes on the back of every Laffy Taffy until somebody helps me, goddammit! When can peanuts laugh? When you crack them up. How do potatoes reserve flights? I'm so dumb, you guys. I misread it. I can't even read at a Laffy Taffy level. Oh God, let's try this again. How do potatoes resolve fights? They hash it out. Gotta say, right off the bat, day 3 is looking pretty optimistic. For the first time in this Laffy Taffy review series history, we've gotten 2 authentic jokes on the back of our Laffy Taffy. Not like a riddle that I have to solve to cross a bridge. To be fair, my guesses for these jokes were they get baked and they come out of their shell. So it did subvert my expectations in the way that you might expect a joke to. They're both produce themed, which is odd because I did not think there was any real fruit involved in this situation. I'm gonna say that Peanuts is gonna take this one. I feel like the word hash is less commonly used in the context of like a potato than cracking is in relation to like peanuts. I think the word crack, that's gonna be a lot more ubiquitous in the way that you want a joke to be. I think if we're to take it to like the schoolyard context, you're saying this to your buddy because you know a real funny joke. I think that hash might require some explanations around the playground. I'd like to say that the peanuts joke takes me to way more of an existential place right off the bat. The potatoes one, the story, the lore behind the joke, it implies resolution, right? The word resolve, it's in the joke. The peanuts one asks a much greater question of both peanuts and men. Not what makes them laugh. When can they laugh? Sorry, liberals, it's called dark humor. And I want my mommy to come pick me up and take me home. And the hash one, I'm just resonating with that one less. Now, maybe it's because I don't actually like the hash breakfast potatoes. And I know that's a surprise to hear because it looks like you could trick me into going anywhere you wanted by tying a donut to the end of a very long string. So they are both jokes this time, though, so the scoring's gonna be a little bit higher. I'm gonna give hash a solid 4, but I understand that I'm a biased reviewer, so I might bump it up an extra point. Peanuts, it kind of took me to like a dark, freaky place, and I sort of like that for my jokes from Laffy Taffy. So I'm gonna give it like a 6.5 out of 10.